Hey guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix suspended shop on Etsy. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to etsy.com, log in into your account, and access your shop manager. Well, once in here, what we need to do is we need to go to the section that says help. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, choose the contact us option. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to select the appropriate options, which in this case is going to be selling on Etsy. Now from here, it's going to say the following options. So let's go and choose the my account is suspended. And from here, it should show you an article here. So this will actually describe why your account is suspended and the things that you could do here. So in this case, you could actually file an appeal. Let's go and click on file an appeal. Now in this case, what we need to do is we just need to basically fill out some details. So looks like it's going to say, so again, if your account is suspended, it should actually give you an option to fill out those details. But in this case, go and fill out those details, submit it, and basically submit a appeal. So this might take a few days or a few hours for them to reach out or out back to you, but make sure to explain your current situation and why your account should not be suspended. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.